Go to your Stripe settings by clicking on this gear icon. Under the account setting, select on the business option. On this page, tap on more subpage over here and select on the branding option. It will take you to the Stripe branding page. Then you want to click on the invoice just right here to design your Stripe invoice page. Keep in mind the change you've made on your invoice page will also be applied on the other page here at the top. Meanwhile, it will also be applied both on the mobile view of your customer, the desktop view, and also the PDF view. So first, you may add your own icon and logo. The icon on Stripe is easily contain your symbol only. For example, my brand name is My Swanflower, and this is the symbol of it, just the modified word of M. Meanwhile, the logo on Stripe is easily contain your symbol with your brand name in it. Like this one, I showed the full name of my brand. But feel free to only upload just your logo or just your icon. As for the brand color, usually includes the header backgrounds like this, or the whole background color of your page. And as for the accent color, usually it will only changes the key call to actions button, like the pay button over here. So feel free to do some design changes, and after every changes you've made, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom right of your screen. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.